You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Italian name pronunciation. More names of famous places in Italy. Stay tuned. A hamlet in the commune of Vinci, around Florence, Tuscany. Anchiano is how it's said in Italian. Anchiano. The CH is pronounced like a K in English. Anchiano. Anchiano. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.